Yo guys! This is my first rant video on this account. And by the way, subscribe to L3 with a cat profile. Anyways, does anyone get the feeling where we're getting watched and we're alone? Like it's so scary what could be watching you. A monster, a skinwalker, or a stalker, and they would always be watching through the window probably. Can they find a better hidden place though? And I always play Roblox to be protected because there's real people. And if I see something, I'm running 999 mile away. Did you just fall on my first rant video?
I'm sorry?
That's your first and last warning. Anyways, Pookie out.